Hello everyone, today we are going to see how to cook an electric griddle. Is this electric griddle is really a game changer or just another kitchen gadget that collecting dust? Let's find out. We have been there juggling with multiple pans, uneven cooking and spending way too much time making breakfast. But what if I told you there is a way to cook everything fast, evenly and with little mess?
This 20-inch electric griddle comes with drip pan and with power adapter. It also has heating mode like low, medium and high. You can also off the griddle from the adapter.
This is not a sponsor review, just an honest experience after using it.
This griddle is a great helper when preparing for parties. See how 3 chapatis fits in this griddle. Toast 8 slices of bread at once. Breakfast done in minutes. It's time for mini dosa and eggplant fry at same time. Here is where most griddle fail, cleaning. But watch this. Just apply an oil and just wipe it with a paper towel. It is done. Now I am going to show you how to make restaurant style beach dosa. First, apply oil on the griddle. Then pour 3 to 4 spoons of batter. Now spread the batter with silicone spatula all over the griddle. Now add some oil on top of the dosa. Let it cook until it turns into golden brown. Take 2 wooden spatulas and gently scrape the dosa from the underneath. Slowly flip them. Let's cook the dosa for 30 more seconds and turn off the griddle. Gently turn the dosa. Ta-da! Our restaurant style beach dosa is ready.
So, this griddle worth it? If you are tired of uneven cooking and long prep time, this might be your best friend. Would you try it? Let me know in the comments. For more honest review on kitchen hacks, don't forget to subscribe.